Safi the Talking Turtle. Once upon a time, there was a kind-hearted girl named Sarah who lived near a big, beautiful lake. One sunny afternoon, while walking by the shore, she saw a small turtle tangled in a fishing net. "Oh no, you poor thing," Sarah said gently. She carefully freed the turtle, making sure not to hurt it. As soon as the turtle was free, it lifted its little head and said, "Thank you, Sarah." Sarah gasped. You can talk?" The turtle smiled. "My name is Safi, and I am a magical turtle. Because you showed kindness without expecting anything, I will take you on a special adventure." Sarah's eyes lit up with excitement. Safi tapped the ground with her flipper, and suddenly, poof, they were transported to an underwater kingdom. Bright fish swam by, coral castles glowed, and gentle whales sang beautiful songs. Sarah and Safi explored hidden caves, met the sea queen, and even helped lost baby dolphins find their way home. After the adventure, Safi brought Sarah back to the shore. "Remember," Safi said softly, "kindness always comes back to you, often in ways you don't expect." Sarah waved goodbye, her heart full of joy. From that day on, she always helped animals and people, not because she expected magic, but because she knew it was the right thing to do. Moral: kindness brings magical rewards, sometimes in the most surprising ways. Flower.